So we've just completed a row of single crochets to create a nice clean base to work off of. To begin the X stitch, we're going to come around this corner, but we want to be able to start with a nice clean edge. We don't want to start actually working on a corner. So we're going to slip stitch in the first 3 stitches going around that corner. There's 1, 2, and 3. And just do those nice and loosely. The next step is to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. This is going to count as a chain, the chain 2 will count as a half double crochet, and the extra chain 1 will count as a chain 1 in the middle of that cross stitch. So after we've completed the beginning chain, we're going to work over the beginning chain to create that beginning X stitch. We're going to work a half double crochet in the second slip stitch. So as you can see, the base of your chain is your 3rd slip stitch. The one right behind it is your 2nd. So we're going to go in right here. We're going to yarn over for our half double crochet, go into that slip stitch. This is going to be the trickiest one. You're going to bring up a loop and complete your half double crochet. And you can see that X stitch with your beginning chain crossing back. Then you've got chain 1. And then your half double crochet that you just completed. We're going to skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and we're going to half double crochet in the 3rd stitch. Then you're going to chain 1, yarn over, and now we're going into the first skip stitch. So you're going to skip that one and then go into that one, half double crochet, skip the next 2 stitches, half double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, work into that first skipped stitch, and we're going to repeat this across the row. So we've come to the edge, we've got a corner here, and we're going to actually work it the exact same way. It might kind of scrunch it up a little bit, but it will all even out on the following rows. So skip 2, half double crochet into the next one, chain 1, and then go back and skip into that first skipped stitch and then work a half double crochet, and then continue around the edge, skipping. Okay, I've worked all the way around my entire square, and now I'm going to join in the beginning chain, and we began with the chain 3, and we want to join in that second chain of the beginning chain 3, because the 3rd chain is like our chain 1 of our X stitch. Okay, so now for the next row we're going to work a row of half double crochets. So begin with your chain 1, half double crochet in your joining stitch, half double crochet in your chain space, and then half double crochet in the next stitch. And then half double crochet in the next stitch, next chain space, whoops, and then the next stitch. We're going to work this all the way to the corner. When you get to the corner, you're going to find that corner X stitch, and you're going to work 4 half double crochets in the corner, and that will help fan that out across. So let's work this all the way around and then come back and see what it looks like.